Hello everyone, this is Avinash working as an application engineer at Beacon, Ahmedabad. Today is a very interactive session about how Solidworks plays a vital role in energy and power sector. So let's see. Here we are watching that there is a process which is typically a process involved in many of the firms. So we need to design some concepts for project, and then we need to design some sort of electrical and mechanical designs. We need to do electrical design, then after mechanical designs, or we need to do first mechanical design, then after electrical design on the basis of the model. Then we need to do some sort of validation for electrical processes, and we need some sort of communication in between our senior projects and juniors to make our design much more better. Then we need to do quality manufacturing of that model. But by using Solidworks, we can do these kind of processes simultaneously. Like we can integrate electrical and mechanical design on the single platform. We can design mechanical as well as electrical design simultaneously on a single platform. Then we can do design validation at here as well. We don't need to wait after designing. We can validate it simultaneously at some sort of processes. We can communicate with each other by using e-drawing and many other facilities of the Solidworks, which helps us to improve our model in a record time. Then we can move in quality and manufacture to make our product in the market. It reduces our time and cost, and it improves our quality. So it enhances our capability to reach a market in a record time and reach. So let's see further. So let's see how Solidworks providing their services in the worldwide industries. Like Solidworks plays a vital role. So like in consumer industrial equipments, life sciences, which is very most important sector of our field, in which Solidworks are playing a very much important role. In process and plant, construction field are also there. High-tech electronics like laptops and many other electronic devices. Manufacturing industries who are manufacturing 1,000-2,000 components on their daily basis, they are using our Solidworks features like CAM and other softwares are there. Alternative energies, they are using their energy production services, engineering services, automobiles, aerospace, many of the services are there. Many of the firms are there who are using Solidworks. Moving further, what Solidworks having basic kind of scenarios using in the industries. So in industry, we need to do some sort of 3D CAD design. Then we need to do some large designing and designing automation, because we have some multiple designing modules which we need to make more and more without doing some more changes. So we need to use some design automation over there. We need to use design validation and optimize our product, because we need to lose our weight, we need to lower our cost as well. So design validation are there. Quality inspection, many of the software like Solidworks inspection, MBD helps us to improve our quality. Technical documentation, we can do technical documentation by generating 2D PDFs, 3D PDFs. E-drawings are there to improve our technical documentation as well. And we can generate as well as DXF for many of other field for manufacturing processes. We can do electrical designing itself in the Solidworks by using Solidworks electrical. So these kind of fields are using basically in industries for helping our products to making our products in the market. So these kind of facilities are there. Innovative solutions. These are the stages of the design which we usually face in our industries. So first we need to do some sort of designing, then we need to do manufacturing drawings, we need to simulate it as well, we need to do design check, and then we need to publish it. So these kind of processes we are following in Solidworks. Let's see how Solidworks complete these kinds of processes for us. So here we have a product of gasoline generator. So right now in energy power sector, it is a kind of product which are using at its extent. So first we need to do some sort of designing, then we need to do drawing. So here we will do designing part, then we will do drawing, then we will assemble them. We make assembly drawing as well. We will simulate it as well, and then we will publish the drawings as well. So now let's see for the first part. Like suppose we need to do some part designing in the Solidworks. Let's see this kind of part, how it is easy to draw in Solidworks. Let's see. So this is the kind of Solidworks screen which is requiring structure design. So it is very easy to draw 3D sketch. Let's see how it is easy. So this is how we are doing it in line system. So we just need to generate the line, we need to give the dimensions to it, and by using tab feature we can change the direction of the line. We just need to set it over there, then after we can give structure, we can easily rotate our dimension. We can change our dimension very easily. We can give constraints to it by providing dimensions, and we can constrain them as well as by giving some sort of equality and symmetric signs, and many other functionalities are also available in Solidworks by which we can constrain our sketches. So this is how we can sketch a 3D sketch modeling over here, and now we have designed it by filleting it as well. We have provided radius of 80 degree. So by doing this kind of sketching in Solidworks, it is very easy to do sketches, and we just need to provide some sort of definition to make it black color, and black color signifies like this is a complete defined sketch which will not change by our permission. So this is how 3D sketch is completed. So moving further, environment section, we just need to define that what type of tube we are going to use, what kind of size we need to use. These are the standard sizes which are available in the market. These are all available in Solidworks itself. We just need to click on the sizes, we just need to select the type of structure we need to use, and we just need to provide the group where we need to apply this kind of structure, and it will automatically design it for us. And it is a huge time saving process in structure design, which are very easy by using these kind of modules in Solidworks. So this is how we design a structure. We just need to provide the type and the sizes of the model, and we can do structure design in Solidworks. So moving further, if we need to do some sorts of changes, like we need to generate some sort of holes in it, we can generate holes over there. We just need to provide the dimension, and after then we need to provide the process by which it kind of generated. So here we have generated a hole, and then we just need to, suppose we need to generate another model, like if we need to generate some sort of channel, like I'm going to add some L angles in it. So we just need to generate a sketch, and then we can generate L angle over here by providing by fully defining the sketch over here, and then we just need to move further. So let me just design it. I'm just completing the model, and here I have completed. I just need to select the angle over here, which kind of angle, which size of angle I just need to use, and then after selecting all of the angles over here, and then I just need to select the group at which it is going to be applicable, and this is how it is easy. And now I have provided a material over here as well. I just need to provide material. I just need to select the material, and it will take the properties of the material as well. It selected the densities properties over here, and we can even though color code as well our model. Like if we need to do some sort of aesthetic view, we need to generate some sort of aesthetic view, we can use it over here. So this is how structure designing are helpful in Solidworks. So let's moving further. So this is the part modeling which we had done right now. So moving further, for part modeling, it is very simple and an intuitive workflow. It is easy to learn and use. It is very easy to use. It's heads up user interface. User interface is very easy that you can do designing in very record time. Interactive designing tools are there to help you to improve your designing skills, to improve your models in a very less time. You can use it. Standard content, like I had used standard content like type of structures, type of pipe, and the size of the pipe are already available in the Solidworks. I just need to select that model, and then we can use it in Solidworks. So let's moving further. Part design is done right now. So moving further, part drawing are there. So let's see how part drawing can be used in Solidworks. So here, part drawing, I just need to generate some sort of manufacturing drawing for this part. So I just here I'm just providing some sort of definition, like I just need to provide part number, material, finishing, what kind of finish I need to use, company name, revision, and some sort of date. If I'm selecting today's date or any other date are there, I just need to select that date, and what will be the title for this, and I just need to apply for this. So by moving further, I have pre-selected a template in which all three views automatically generated, and then these kind of title block are already filled for us because I have generated template for this to automatically fill all the details like title, drawing number. So this is how title block can be filled. Now moving further, if I just need to modify some sort of scaling over here, we can do scaling very easy. We just need to link it with the parent feature, and then by selecting parent feature facility, I just need to scale it, and all views scale properly with respect to the parent view. And so suppose if I need to generate some more views, I can use this kind of template, this template as well. Here we are watching, like, many of the views are already given to us. We can simply need to select and drag over here, and this is how we can generate view for our drawing. And suppose if we don't need to get from view from there, then we can project view from here as well. I just need to select the view, and in which area I'm just moving our cursor, that view will be showing to me. And then I generated project view. Suppose I need to generate some sort of sectional view. This is how we can generate a sectional view for our models. So it is very easy to generate a sectional view for us. It is very detailed, and hatching are also there to get more detail. Suppose I just need to get a detail view. This is how we can generate a detail view. Just need to provide a section over here, and then we can customize the scale of the model as well. So I just increase the scale of the view, and these kind of things are very easy in SolidWorks. It will not take much more time. If I need to change the properties of the sheet, like here I have generated a note over here. There is a predefined note in a predefined template, so I have selected that template. That note will automatically get to me. So now if I need to generate the dimension for our drawing, so it is very easy to generate dimension for our drawing. I just need to select the model items over here. I just need to select the entire model feature over here, and then tick mark. So it automatically generates dimension for me. I just need to reposition the dimension for our views. If I need to generate dimension manually, it is very easy as well. I just need to select the smart dimension tool in the drawing view, and then I just need to select the edges to edges or faces to faces, on which I just need to get the dimension, and it automatically generates for me. It is very easy. I just need to select the places from which I need to generate the dimension, and it is very easy. So this is how we are generating the dimension in our model. As we are watching over here, we can generate these kind of dimension in very record time. And suppose if I need to generate some sort of tolerances, so it is very easy. I just need to select these kind of tolerances and which kind of tolerance I need to use, like if it is a G6 tolerance, or it is H6 tolerance, or it is a K6 tolerance, or all of the tolerances are given over there. I just need to select these kind of tolerances for this, and then I just need to make some more detailed view for this, because I just need to show some more detailed dimensioning for this feature. So I just need to generate that detailed view. I can scale it as well. I can increase the scale for that view specifically. And right now here I'm just generating a whole callout feature, which give me automatically this kind of feature, like this is a 8.8 through hole and M12 tapped hole. So these kind of facility are available in SolidWorks. So now moving further, suppose if I need to generate some sort of weldment cut list table for our part. So it is very easy for generating weldment cut list table in SolidWorks. So we just need to create automatic balloon, and it automatically generate weldment cut list table for us, and it will automatically ballooning all the components, by which we can see like which component is related to which number. So we can signify, and we can sort over all of the quantity, what kind of quantity we require, we need to generate, and what kind of quantity we are going to require for making our component. So it automatically balloon as well. So it is very easy in SolidWorks to generate balloons in drawings. Automatically generate weldment cut list table. We can also generate weldment cut list table from here. We just need to hover over the weldment cut list table and select it over here, and we can place it over here. So it is SolidWorks. So this is how we can do part drawing in the SolidWorks. We can generate automatic view, dimension placement are very easy, production quality and detailed drawings are there. Avoid drawing error. The manual drawing error would completely vanish out from this, because it automatically do dimension for us, and we can do manual drawings, manual dimension as well, which automatically generate by SolidWorks So it is error-free drawing, make drawing in a record time, which is very useful in SolidWorks. So moving further, assembly of the parts. Assembly of the part, let's see how assembly of the components are very easy in SolidWorks. So suppose we need to select a template to move in assembly feature. So right now I'm just selecting a kind of assembly, inserting in assembly file. This is already assembly. I'm just inserting assembly in assembly file. So this is a frame assembly, and then I just need to insert some of the components for it. Suppose I have inserted this kind of alternator assembly in which generator are there and alternator are there. Sorry, motor and alternator are there. I just need to provide proper mate for the assembly, and it automatically place it over there. Because of the insert smart mate features are there, it suggests us what kind of mates are required to assemble that component. Now suppose wheel assembly I need to assemble in the SolidWorks. It is very easy. I just need to insert it, and providing proper mates for this, it suggests us this kind of mates are required, and then these kind of wheel assembly are inserted in the assemble. Suppose I just need to insert some sort of circlips are there for the wheel assembly. So I just need to select what kind of circlip I need to use, and I just need to drag it over here, and it automatically size for us. If we need to change the size for the circlip, it automatically changes as well. And these are all the standard components available in the SolidWorks. Moreover, 10,000 components are there in the SolidWorks which are available and ready to use. I just need to drag it over here. So this is how we are moving further in the assembly of the component. We just need to insert it, we need to provide the mates for it, and all of the components are ready to assemble over here. I just need to insert other components, selecting part model, selecting an assembly. I can insert assembly or part, whichever with the thing I just need to insert, and I just need to provide the mates for it, and then this is how these kind of assembly are going to be completed in the SolidWorks. So this is how we are going to use. So I just need to insert another more components are there, and I just need to mate it. So this is another feature which I am going to show you right now. This is a insert smart fasteners. I just need to select that component feature over there. I just need to select the smart fastener feature. I just need to place the component where I need to insert the features, and then it automatically suggests that this kind of fastener you need to use over here. And after using this kind of fastener, I just need to provide some sort of details, like I just need to use this kind of fastener over here as well, and what kind of the length of this fastener. It automatically suggests us. If I need to insert some nuts in here, it automatically insert for us as well. I just need to provide over here what kind of nut are you going to use for this assembly. So I just need to select that nut, and it automatically plays that nut up for us. So we don't need to insert specifically that screw, that nut in our drawing. It automatically gives us this kind of facility, improve our we can say these kind of facilities improve our time, improve our quality, reduces the errors in the drawings, and we just need to provide the proper selection of things, and it does all things automatically for us. So this is what we call a smart SolidWorks software. And now moving further, this kind of assembly, this is a PVC assembly which we have right now inserted in the drawing. I just need to insert that assembly in it. So these kind of PVC assembly are also easy in assemble and make it in the SolidWorks. I just need to insert those things here. And moving further, suppose I just need to complete these assembly, I just need to insert some more and more assembly or more of the components over here. So moving further, suppose I just need to make some sort of assembly flexible, like this feature provide us a flexibility in our assembly, by which we can move our handles. Suppose I just need to move this handle in assembly. By making our assembly flexible, we can do this kind of things as well. Suppose I just need to moving further, I just need to do some sort of motion in it. So it is very easy to do motion in SolidWorks. Let's see how motion is possible in SolidWorks. Moving further, let's see how motion. Suppose I need to use motion in wheels. So I just need to move in motion study and here I just need to activate the motion study from here, and moving further I just need to select that motion study, motion analysis over there, and then I just need to apply some sort of motor, that which kind of motor I need to use it over here. There are many of the motors available as per their scenarios, like if I need to use some sort of motor depend on the constant speed, or it depend on other facilities. Like further, if it is dependent motor on many other functionalities like distance, oscillating segments, data points. Many of the motors are available. I just need to select that motor facility and apply it over here. So these kind of things we can do in SolidWorks. So after applying this kind of motor, and I just need to capture the motion analysis. Like I just need to select that feature and it will do motion analysis feature over there. And then after this completion, we can also save that motion analysis video in flexible, whatever be the format we need to use and what kind of frame rates we need to require over there, and it will do a motion analysis video for us, and we can generate motion analysis video in the SolidWorks itself. So by using this kind of facility, I just need to show you one more important feature of the SolidWorks assembly. If I need to generate some sort of piping over here, so I just need to select this kind of connector and select and place it over here. It automatically shows us what kind of connector you need to use it over here. We don't need to draw or design this kind of connector specifically. I just need to use standard connector over here, and then we need to place it another connector over here as well, and it automatically lists us what kind of connector you want to use it over here. You just need to select that connector and it automatically do it all the things for you. Then you need to join these kind of segments over here by using auto route feature. I just need to select these kind of points. I just need to select this point first, and then using flexible hose pipe feature, I just need to select those points, and auto route feature give us a pipe model. And then I just need to provide the dimension of the pipe, and it will provide us flexible pipe. It will join to both of the connectors, and we get a kind of size of a pipe over here, and I don't need to design this. It automatically do all of the things for me. So these kind of pipe designing are very easy and possible in SolidWorks. So let's moving further. This kind of assembly we can do in the SolidWorks. So these are the assembly of the parts we can do. It is intelligent software, intelligent use of the standard components, as we are using standard components like circlips, pipe features, connectors, bearings. These kind of things are also already available in SolidWorks. We just need to select that component, provide what kind of parameters are going to be used for that component, and it will do everything for us. The 3D CAD model will be generated and inserted in SolidWorks itself. Simple placement and positioning facility are available in the SolidWorks. Innovative productive tools. There are many of the productivity tools are there, like smart fasteners, as we have seen in the SolidWorks. We don't need to select that kind of we don't need to select the specific fastener and need to place it over there. It can generate all of the fasteners at the single time by just selecting at a single point over there. Moving further, assembly drawing are there. What we need to do for assembly drawing, let's see. So these kind of things, I just need to provide a similar sort of what we had done at the time of drawing. I just need to provide these kind of details which we had already generated at a kind of template over here. I just need to provide the details for it, and then I just need to select drawing template, and it automatically gives us all the views which have predefined views are there. And we can do edit sheet format as well if I need to improve the position of the text over there in the title block, and we can reposition of the views as well, and we can do GA drawing for our model as well. It is very easy. It automatically uses the total model view in the drawing. I just need to provide the dimension of the model, and I just need to select the edges of the model, and it automatically gives us the total dimension. And this is how a GA drawing can be completed in a record time. And if I need to generate some sort of projected view, it is very easy. I just need to place it over here. Suppose I need to generate some sort of alternative views, like here I just need to select over here alternative position view feature, and in this I just need to select kind of configuration, which kind of configuration are available, and I just need, after selecting that kind of configuration, it automatically generate that kind of configuration view in our model. And we can check like handle position are there in default position, in closed position, and in open position. We can show all of the views at single time by using these kind of facilities in the SolidWorks, and it is very easy. So moving further, if I just need to place isometric view of our model over here, and then by using projected view feature I can put it over here, and by using drawing views, bill of material function are there. I just need to select that bill of material function, and then by using top view, top level only, we can generate bill of material on the basis of assembly itself, because we need to generate this kind of bill of material for shop floor itself. How shop floor are going to assemble this kind of gasoline generator at the time of assembly. So this is how we are getting over here. All of the assembly are there showing sequentially, and what are the quantity of that assembly are required at the time of assembly. It shows everything. And auto ballooning feature shows us component or assembly, that at which number which kind of assembly we are going to look at this. And this is how we can do some sort of ballooning and bill of material feature. This is these kind of facility we need to use when we are going to use assembly drawing, and it is very easy. In record time we can do this kind of assembly by doing. So now moving further, if I need to explode our model, and I need to show in drawing view, I just need to select this kind of checkbox, show in exploded view. So it will show us our model in exploded view. If I had already saved an exploded view in our assembly, so it shows that kind of assembly in an It is very easy to identify what kind of assembly we are looking at. So it is very easy to get this kind of facility in the SolidWorks. So I just need to reassemble all of the balloons after exploding, because each and every component are looking at individually. So we just need to use it, and this is how assembly are going to be helpful for our models. So moving further, this is the assembly drawing. It is consistent workflow, automatic bill of material, and atom balloons are there. Comprehensive assembly views are there. We can use these kind of assembly drawing for generating GA drawings, bill of materials, and customized exploded views, assembly views. Many of the things are there which are required in SolidWorks, and it is very easy to use. So moving further, simulation are there. If we need to simulate our structure, like if we need to do some sort of analysis in our design, let me check that our model are capable enough to stand our forces calculation or not. So let's see how it is possible in SolidWorks. So moving further, I just need to select our model, open it, and for doing some sort of simulation analysis, I just need to add in a simulation icon over here. I just need to generate it. After selecting that icon, simulation tab activate on our SolidWorks, and then so before moving in simulation, I need to define all of the connection for our part. So for defining connection of our part, this is a kind of structure in which weldment are there. So welding must be there. So I just need to provide welding feature over there. I just need to select these kind of faces, and it automatically shows the detail of the weldment, that how welding are going to be done. We need all-round feature or selection feature, or both kind of feature are there also facilitate in SolidWorks. What kind of radius of the SolidWorks welding we are going to use. So I just need to provide that welding radius, and this is how we can generate welding feature in the SolidWorks. So it automatically generates all of the welding feature in it, and this is how we are going to see after generating all of the connection welding feature are there. After giving all of the welding feature, it shows this kind of welding standard views, because this is a 3 radius fillet full round welding. So it shows like this. So this is how it is very professional software. It shows us everything. It shows every detail at every level. So it is very easy to understand requirement of our modeling. And then moving further, if I need to do some sort of simulation after providing all of the contact, and then we need to move in new study, and then I just need to click on new study. A default name are presenting over here, so I'm moving with a default name. So now for providing fixed geometry, I just need to provide some sort of fixed point where my part are going to be fixed. So I'm just selecting that kind of face over here. So I'm selecting these two faces are the fixed for my assembly or part. So after providing fixed geometry, I'm going to provide a roller slider fixture, because it is kind of a place where wheel assembly are going to be put. So this is a kind of place where assembly is going to be fixed on a roller kind of fitting. So this kind of mates are available in simulation. So now if I need to provide these spaces are fixed for me, so I'm providing these spaces are fixed for me. Provide some sort of external load. Here I have provided external loads. So after providing fixed geometry, I just need to provide some sort of load. And after providing load over here, I just need to run it for once, and after running that simulation, it will give us some sort of results like this. And here we are watching that these kind of displacement features are there, displacement functionality are there, stresses are there, strain are there, factor of safety. And if I need to animate our analysis, we can do animation as well. So these kind of facility are available in simulation, by which we can get true scale results in Solidworks. We are achieving better results by using these kind of facilities in Solidworks. So this is how simulation are there for our models. So simulation for designers and engineers, interactive design and validation process are there. Understand how to make a better design. These kind of facilities are there to do and achieve our results. Moving further, if I need to publish our design to the shop floor, many of the facilities are there. Let's see the big facility providing by the Solidworks, that is e-drawings. So first I need to generate an e-drawing for my model, by which we can show our model to the shop floor, how my model are going to be look. And if I need to generate some sort of recommendation or comments from that assembly or shop floor or any other interactive session, we can use these kind of facilities. There we don't need to have Solidworks installed on the system. I just need to share that file and we can open it at everywhere. So by using this kind of assembly, it is very easy for shop floor persons as well. I just need to place the remarks or kind of comments in our model, by which our client or our designer are able to understand what we want to say regarding our model. So this is a very useful feature for us. So we just need to use these kind of configuration. We can use configuration view as well in e-drawing. If I need to view the closed view of our model, the open view of our model, all of the models views are saved, model parts are saved. We can see component view assembly as well. If I need to measure it, I can measure it as well. If I need to comment regarding like updation, we can do comment updation as well over here, which is related to our design department, like make this handle let me say more lengthy to operate it easily. So I can do these kind of comments in EASM, or we can say e-drawings in it, and we can interact with our customers or we interact with our designers, and it improve our technical communication in the department. So these kind of publishing software are available in Solidworks, which are very easy to use. We can make 2D drawings by using PDF. We can make 3D PDFs or 3D model for more visual interaction with anyone else, and we can make DXF, DWG file for respective requirements. So these kind of publishing facility are available in the Solidworks. So this is how we are going to do modeling in Solidworks. This is how we are using Solidworks features to make these kind of products very easy in the Solidworks. So this is how It plays a vital role in many of the industries. So today we have seen a gasoline generator assembly in SolidWorks. Moving further, these all are the scenarios which we have covered today: part design, part drawing, assembly of the parts, assembly of the components, simulation, and publishing. Exploring SolidWorks 2020, these kind of products which we can design in SolidWorks right now, designing by other industries like the Avat incubator, in which sheet metal and plastic and rubber components are using at their level best. Dumper assembly, which standard components and sheet metal components, structure designs are required. Check where electronics assembly are there, structure assembly are there, plastic assembly are there, and what we can say, some sort of hydraulics and pneumatic components are also there, which are using right now by many of the industries. Medical industry like overhead steerers, like ICA, they are using SolidWorks right now. This is a kind of fully integrated designing platform which composed of SolidWorks for CAD modeling, electrical for electrical designing, simulation, fluid plastics are there for FEA, and design simulation analysis for design analysis. Inspection are there for quality department, for manufacturing. CAM process are there for publishing to 3D PDF. SolidWorks MBD are there for getting PMIs. SolidWorks MBD. Draft site are there for getting 2D drawings. A drawings are there, which is a exceptionally very good software for interacting with the assembly and shop floor employees, and interacting with the customers without having SolidWorks installation on the system as well. Composer for making many more interactive documentation without having SolidWorks over there. And the SolidWorks PDM are there for making our vault safe, for making our documents safe, and getting many of the other facilities are there. And conceptual design, industrial designing, by using these kind of facilities, we can complete our model at our level best. Mechanical design, SolidWorks make it easy and bring ideas to your life. Robust product, I can say it is a robust production, proven 3D CAD model software, intuitive and easy to use, powerful and complete, fast creation of production quality 2D drawing, fast creation of the production quality of 2D drawings, easy and safe reuse of 2D and 3D data, innovative communication tools, driving you design, inbuilt smart tools. Thank you.